Oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen I4 from Affordlimited. Have a Merry Christmas 2025 as we look forward for 2026. And this is part of the preparation for 2026, of course. Today's date is the 22nd of December 2025, of course, and only three more days and we celebrate that beautiful time of Christmas. Now, this video that I have just recorded, it's been helped by AI. In business, some of the objects that we're going to have to use or some of the tools that we're going to have to use in any business. And for businesses who adopt, say, modern technology, for example, can enhance their business quality and production. And today is one of those days that I'm just going to use AI for helping me make videos. So you might be wondering why that is the case. Well, it's pretty simple. You can either work hard or you can work smarter. And AI is helping me or any individual businesses to provide a certain element or certain productions for whatever they're producing or creating or offer. And today, this is my Christmas present. So do enjoy AI in one of my creations of using technology to help me build Affordlimited. Enjoy and have a Merry Christmas.
Crypto changed how I think about money. Not just buying coins and hoping. I'm talking income sharing and personal financial markets you can actually join. First, income sharing models. Staking. I lock up tokens, and in return I earn rewards for helping secure a network. Then there's yield farming. I add liquidity so others can trade, and I get a slice of the fees. Higher risk? Sometimes higher reward. Some DeFi platforms even share profits from pooled strategies. If the pool wins, I get my cut. If it loses, I feel that too. Second, personal financial markets. I can build a tokenized portfolio and track everything in real time. Performance fees, risks, on-chain. I can share my results and strategy or follow others who make their data public. Copy trading lets me mirror a pro's moves. If they go up, I go up. If they go down, yeah, I go down. Here's the magic. Transparency. Blockchains record every transaction, reward, and fee. I can verify claims instead of trusting screenshots. On-chain analytics turn hype into numbers. But risks. Markets swing fast. Rewards today can drop tomorrow. Smart contracts can fail. Platforms can disappear, and laws differ everywhere. What's allowed in one country might be restricted in another. So how do I afford crypto income sharing? I start small. I learn the mechanics, I check the contracts, I diversify. I treat results like a journey, not a jackpot. If this helps, hit follow. I'll break down staking, yield, and social investing with real on-chain examples so you can decide what fits your risk and your goals. See you in the next one.
I hope you enjoyed that. So as we look forward for 2026, cryptocurrency are for limited production line, and we're utilizing cryptocurrency because we have found there is sustainable income can be generated with cryptocurrency. However, it is risky like anything else in business. High returns, of course. But anyway, have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stephen I4 from R4 Limited. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.